Hi my dearest traders, and a warm welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to see you once again in today's new video. So today I'm going to be trading using technical analysis and also using the help of the stochastic oscillator indicator. I'm going to be working out on situations that I understand quite well and make very good profit today. So I'm going to start with a little amount of $5 and try and hit my goal for today, which is around $5,000 or more, and hopefully I'm able to do this by the end of this video. So stay tuned until the end of the video, and also don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, and subscribing down below to my channel. So let me show you how to use this indicator with technical analysis to find good entry points. I can already see a good entry point and I'm going to explain it to you. Here we have the price moving in an uptrend, and at the moment I'm seeing some kind of lagging. At the same time, you can see that the moving indicators cross the level of 70 and the yellow line is located on top. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2-minute up trade as the indicator makes me realize that the price has a good upside potential here. So at the same time, you can see that the main price lows on the graph have become higher. Also, you can see that after moving in a sideways trend, the price began to move up more actively. So it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move upward in the uptrend. In this situation, I'm going to use 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that price may enter the trading zone or there will be a pullback down. So let me watch the chart and see what will happen. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price is moving according to my scenario. Here I got a confident plus. The indicator gave me an excellent entry point for the first trade. Also 2 minutes here was perfect enough for me. So let me continue and see what happens next. Here you can see that the price is making a pullback downwards and now it's slowly starting to move upwards. At the same time, the yellow line on the indicator goes higher and both moving lines cross the level of 30. This is a buy signal. Therefore, I think it's likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move upward in the uptrend after a slight decline. Also, as you can see, the major price lows on the graph are still rising, while earlier, the price periodically made pullback downwards and then continued to move upwards. All this suggests that the price has an upside potential, and here I've taken a time of 2 minutes with the reserve. Let me wait for the results. This is pretty good. You can see the price continues to decline and then there was a slight increase. You can see my deal closes above the entry point and I was able to make very good profit here. Now I'm going to continue and find our next entry point. Here the price is moving in a downtrend while the price is held by the support level, and at the moment it is moving upwards. In such a situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside because the indicator has crossed the moving lines and both lines touch the level of 70. So here I understand that the price has a potential for a rise here. At the same time, I can see the price has already hit the support level several times and made a fairly strong rebound up. I think that in the near future, we'll have a price reversal and now it moves upwards on the uptrend. Also in this situation, I've taken 2 minutes with the reserve time, taking into account a possible retracement or a pullback of the price downwards. You can already see such a pullback at the moment. Let me wait and see the results. This is great, friends. As you can see, the price continues to move upwards and here I got a confident plus. The indicator didn't let me down again and suggested a good entry point. 2 minutes in this situation was quite enough. Let me find my next entry point. As you can see here, the price continues to move upward with the sliders crossing the 70 level and moving in the upper zone of the indicator. In such a situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside as I still have a lot of room to the maximum point on the graph. Also, I can see that recently the price has been moving upwards more impulsively and mostly in the green candlesticks. All this indicates that the price has a good upside potential and it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move upward on the emerging upward movement. In this situation, I've also taken 2 minutes with the reserve time, taking into account the possible retracement or the pullback downwards, but let me wait for the results. This is awesome, friends. You can see the price continues to move upwards and I got a very confident plus. The indicator really gave me a good entry point here and 2 minutes was quite enough time for this. Meanwhile, you see I've already increased my initial deposit by more than 10 times already, which is such a great result. Let me find my next working situation. Here we have a price moving in an uptrend, and as you can see, the price has made a pullback and continues to go up. In such a situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside, because on the indicator, both lines have crossed the level 70 and the yellow line is located on top. That is, the indicator makes it clear that the price has a potential for a growth here. Also, if I look at the situation in general, I can see that the major price lows on the graph are getting higher while the price is moving upwards more impulsively, and the pullback downwards are usually small. So I think it's more likely that the price will continue to move upward in the uptrend in the near future. In this situation, I also use a 2-minute time with a reserve. Let me wait for the results. This is pretty good. You can see the price continues to move up and I made very good profit here. Also, the indicator really gave me a very good entry point, and 2 minutes was enough time for this. Let me find my next entry point. As you can see here, the price is currently moving down and hitting the support level. In this situation, I'm going to open a deal for 2 minutes on the upside, because I can see that earlier we had an intersection of the moving averages and both lines touch the level 70. That is, the indicator makes it clear that the price has a good potential for an uptrend. At the same time, I can see that earlier the price has already crossed this level several times and showed good growth. I think that in this time there will be a reaction near the support level and the price will make a good rebound up. Also, in this situation, I've used 2 minutes with the reserve, taking into account that the price may hit the support level once again and then it will show growth. But let me watch the end of this trade and see the results. Well, this is great, friends. As you can see, the price moves according to my scenario and makes a rebound from the support level here. Here you can see I got a very solid plus. The indicator once again didn't let me down and showed me a good entry point, and 2 minutes was perfect time for this. Let me find my next situation. So as you can see, the price breaks the support level while moving mostly in red candlesticks. Also, on the indicator, there was an intersection of the moving lines and both of them went below the level 30. In this situation, I'm going to open a 2-minute down trade. As you can see, the indicator makes it clear that the price still has the potential to go down. At the same time, you can see that the main price highs on the graph are getting lower, and it's more likely that in the near future, the price will continue to move downward in a downtrend. Also, in such a situation, I've used a time of 2 minutes with a reserve, taking into account the possible retracement or the pullback of the price upwards. But let me wait and see the results. This is pretty awesome. You can see the price shows a decline and there was a pullback upwards. At the same time, my trade closes below the entry point, and here I made very good profit. As you can see, it's not always possible to choose the time of the trading perfectly, but with more experience and practice, you get better and better with time. Right now, you can see I have almost $5,000 on my deposit, and my trading goal is fulfilled for today. So I'm going to fix this price and leave the market. So that was quite awesome. As you saw in today's trades, I was working out on situations I'm quite familiar with, and as you saw, combining stochastic oscillator indicator with technical analysis works great. Carry out technical analysis first, then use the indicator signals to find good entry points and make very good profit. In order to gain more experience, you need to train a lot, you need to practice a lot on several situations, because most of the situations repeat themselves, and you'll be able to get good experience and make very good profit on your own in no time. And also, if you have any questions concerning today's trade, you can ask them down below in the comment section. And also, don't forget to support the channel by liking this video, sharing this video to your friends and family, subscribing down below to my channel, and hitting that notification bell so you're notified when there is a new video up. So thanks so much for watching. Good luck in your trades. Until next time, bye bye.